This is the air conditioning as installed. The battery is currently at about 32 degrees, but you'll hear the system kick in. That compressor doesn't sound right. That's spinning at 5,500 RPM. Now it's cycling on and off, presumably because the compressor itself is getting hot. But even inside the cabin it's obviously pretty loud. But pleased to report that the cells are staying nice and cool. You know, we're talking 30, 31, 32, 33, 31, 32, 30 degrees C. So the battery is definitely being cooled via the heat exchanger, but I've got a feeling that the air conditioning compressor is working overtime in order to achieve this. So I think I might need to try and turn the speed down a bit and obviously put some vibration damping in. But not bad for a 40-degree day. Now it's just cut off again. I don't like... Pretty sure those noises are wrong. 41 degrees C.